Hi to all. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic Introduction to C. C is a programming language. So let's start with the history of the programming language C. The programming language C was designed or invented by Dennis Rich at Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. It was developed by Dennis Rich at Bell Laboratories in the early 1970s. Before C programming was emerged, these are all the basic programming languages of the C. Okay. In 1960, the programming language called ALGOL 60 was introduced, and then it was renamed as CPL in the year 1963, and it was renamed as BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, in 1967 by Martin Richard. Okay, and then the BCPL language is renamed as B by Ken Thompson in 1970. Okay, so this is the history of the C program. So just they use the name B, C like that only. So the traditional C, the C programming language was introduced by Brian and the Dennis Rich in the year 1970s. Okay, and it was standardized by ANSI. ANSI means American National Standard Institute, known as ANSI C in the year 1989. Okay, here C programming language was developed in the 70s by a group of at Bell Laboratory. Okay. The C language was the outline of two earlier programming languages, BCPL and B languages. The first developed language is called ALGOL, and then it was renamed as CPL, and then it was renamed as BCPL with some more advantages, and then it was renamed as B. Finally, it was renamed as C by Dennis Rich in 1970. That two languages are specially used to write code for an operating system. Mainly the BCPL and B languages are specially used to write code for an operating system. Dennis Rich is created with the first working description of C. In 1978, Brain and Rich published a manuscript which is referred to as K8 or version of C. In 1983, the ANSI convened a technical committee to standardize C. Today, most commercial C compilers generally compile with the ANSI standard, American National Standard Instruction or Institute. Okay, this is a history of the C programming language. In 1960, the programming language ALGOL was developed by the international group, and then there is some disadvantages in that language, so it was redeveloped by Martin Richards in the year 1967, and the programming language named as BCPL, and then the BCPL Basic Combined Programming Language is the expansion of BCPL, and it was renamed as B by Ken Thompson in the year 1917. And then in the year 1972, Dennis Rich added some more concepts in the language of B and renamed the language B as C in the year 1972. In 1978, K and or C. The language was renamed as K and or C by Richards and his friend Kernighan. In 1989, it was standardized by the Standardized Committee ANSI, and then in the year 1990, ISO standardization was given to the ANSI C, so it renamed as ANSI and ISO C. In 1999, the Standardization Committee renamed the name as C99, and in the year 2011, it was renamed as C11 by the Standardization Committees. Okay, this is again the overview of C. This is also in this page also I shown you the history of the C. Okay. Next, the features of this C language. The C language is very efficient and fast. It has variety of data types and powerful operators. And then it is highly portable, and it follows the structured programming language. C follows the structured programming language, and then it has an ability to extend itself. And it has a collection of functions in C languages. So what is called structured programming? In structured programming, we divide the whole program into smaller modules so that the program become easy to understand. That is called structured programming. Okay. In the structured programming, we divide the whole program into small modules so that the program become easy to understand. Next, the features of the C. C programs are in small in size. It's executed in very speed, modularity, case sensitive, and it is middle level language. It has rich libraries. It is very fast. Pointers and recursion are used here. Memory management, and it is a structured programming, and it is extensible. Okay. Let you see the features and characteristics of the C in detail. C is one of the most popular programming language and have the following features that cause it more popular. The first one is simplicity. C has the richest collection of inbuilt function, keyword, and data types, and also it follows a structured approach. So it is learned also. Clarity. The keyword and the library function available in C resembles common English words, so it is easily helps to improve the clarity of the programs. And then the third one is portability. Portability means by the term portable we mean that computer independent. The program made C can be made to run on different machines, thus increasing the efficiency of the programs. Modularity. The program made in C can be easily divided into small modules with the use of functions. This feature helps to increase the understandability of the program. Easy availability. The C compiler are easily available and they require very less disk space for the storage. C is one of the most popular language used today and features in operating system and embedded system. So this is also the features of C. It is fast means C language is faster than BASIC. BASIC means beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code. This is the predecessor of C language. So C language is faster than BASIC. And then C is the structured programming language. It means so that to compose a program you need to follow a series of well-structured steps and procedures. A use of modularity. Modularity means can store section of code in the form of libraries for future use. Powerful provides a wide variety of data types, functions, and control and loop statements compared to its predecessor. And it is a robust language. It can be used to write any complex program. Okay. By using C, you can write any complex programs. And the next one is portable. C programs can run on any computer with little or no modifications. It can run on any compiler. Okay. And then next one is the user friendly. C is more user friendly in comparison to the previous languages. For example, BASIC, BCPL, ALGOL, like that. And the last one is efficient. The programs written in C are more efficient compared to its predecessor. So this is the structure of this tree language. I will explain you the structure of the C and the concepts in my next class. Okay. This is the introduction of the C. C is a structured programming language. Structured programming means we divide the whole program into small modules so that the program become easy to understand. Okay. C is efficient and fast. It has variety of data types and powerful operators. Highly portable. It is well suited for structured programming language. Its ability is to extend itself. It has a collection of functions. Okay. This is the history. Once again I repeat this. ALGOL, and then it renamed as BCPL, and B, and then C in the year 1972 by Dennis Rich. This is the language is called as C, and it was renamed as and RC and ANSI C. ISO committee renamed this as 1990 by ANSI and ISO-C. In 1999, it was renamed by the Standardization Committee C99. In 2011, Standardization Committee renamed this as C11. Okay, so this is the history of the C. So in my next class, I explain you about the structure of the C program. Thank you, girls.